Mothers folding flags with trembling hands, fathers staring at an empty chair. A bedroom frozen like the day they left, a purple heart that can't fill the air. The ones who sent them never lost a child, never felt the weight of that last goodbye. But God sat with every grieving family, and He wept with every mother's cry. These are the sons and daughters we sent, young lives poured out for political intent. God of the fallen, God of the brave, every name is known beyond the grave. They were more than the wars that took them away. Heaven remembers what the world forgot to say. These are the sons and daughters we sent. The vote was 300 to 12. Nobody in that room had a son in the field, but God counted every boot on the ground.